We are with Middle Atlantic. Good morning, what's your name and what do you do?
Hi, my name's Marcus Bond, and I'm the distribution manager for Legrand AV.
And what are you showing at this technology showcase?
We're here today to show off Middle Atlantic, which is part of Envision's portfolio now. We've got the simple Slim 5 range. This one comes flat packed, top, bottom and rails. Very simple, a lot in the industry know it very well. We've also got our ERK range, which is the economy rack. Comes pre-assembled, so it's already built for them. They've just got to add their shelvings and blanket plates. We have our Essex range, which is basically pre-assembled again, but with this one it comes with door, glass front and 7 shelves already pre-built inside. And then we turn to our WR range, which is a very high-end sort of racking solution. Obviously with this solution you can pull out for the installer and they can actually swivel to
access the cable.
Yeah, left or right. So you access the cables, all the equipment in there. Nice little simple solution, and it really helps the installers when they've got something wrong with their equipment that's gone inside.
How has the show been so far?
Really well. Yeah, it's gone really well. Yesterday was really busy. Today's, again, it's constant, but it's been really good. Yeah. So we also have here today is our DC power. This is going to have 5 volt and 12 volt and 24 volt solutions. This is for when you just have the 5 volt plugs. They take up a lot of room inside the racking solution, so you just cut the cables, put it into the Phoenix connector, which then just pushes and it keeps it nice and neat and tidy for them.
And color coded so that you don't
don't get it wrong. Exactly.
Fabulous.
Lovely.
Thank you.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. Click below to subscribe and be sure to follow Inside CI on Twitter, Facebook and Google+.